I'll show you how to create a smooth rolling numbers animation. It's a super cool effect that can be used for counters, scoreboards or digital displays. So let's get started. First, create a new composition with the frame size of 1920 and 1080. This ensures consistent when we applying animations. Now create a new text layer, and I'm using the font darker grosses, which you can download from the Google font library. Set the font size to 250 and type out the numbers 0 to 9 in a vertical instead, just like I'm doing. And then copy and paste these numbers 5 times in a same text layer, so we have a long sequence of numbers. After that, add an extra 0 at the end so that the leftmost digit resets smoothly back to 0 when the animation completes. This is important because it will allow us to animate the scrolling effect later. Next, center line the text, then scroll the numbers down until the first 0 digit appears. To adjust the alignment properly, go to the guide option and select title Save Action to ensure proper placement. Next, apply a mouse around the single digit, making sure to leave a little extra space on the top and bottom. This extra space ensures a smooth scrolling effect when we animate the numbers. Now go to the text layer, click on Animate and choose Position, and then go to the range selector. At 0 second on the timeline, set a keyframe, and at 3 seconds change the position so that the numbers scroll upward. Next, duplicate this layer 5 times to create a 5 digits on our counter. Align each layer side by side so they form a proper number sequence like this. Since we are animating up to 15,000, each digit need to scroll a different numbers of time to match its place value. So the first digit, we already moved it from 0 to 1. So I'm just checking its position value. Yes, it is -300. So now let's move to the second digit. It's moved a bit slower, scrolling from 0 to 9 and then up to 5. To make sure it stops at the right spot, I manually set up the position value to -4500. Okay, the third digit, since it represents the 100 place, it is scrolled from 0 to 9 3 times, and I adjust its position value to -6000 for the right spot. Fourth digit, this one moves even slower, going through 0 to 9 4 times. So I set the position value to -9000. Fifth digit, the leftmost, scrolling from 0 to 9 5 times before stopping. So I manually set its position value to -12,000. By adjusting these position value manually, so I ensure each digit scrolls correctly and stop at the right place, making the animation seamless and more accurate. Now let's make it smoother. Select all keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and select the end keyframes and drag them to the left to create a smooth easing effect. Also enable motion blur for all layers to make the scrolling more natural. To add some texture, create adjustment layer and name it noise. And go to the effect and press it, search for noise and apply it to the adjustment layer. Set the amount of noise to 20% and change the blending mode to overlay so that the noise only appears on the white text, not in the black background. Select all layers, move the first keyframe slightly forward to 10 frames so animation start from 5 zeros. This gives our animation a stylish digital feel, making it look more natural. And yeah, that's it. You have just created the rolling number counter animation in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.